morning YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upshift and downshift on a motorcycle. And with downshifting, I'm going to show you the technique of rev matching for a smoother downshift. Before I get into it, I just want to show you the standard transmission. The sequence is one down and the rest up. Some motorcycles have 5 gears, some have 6, but this is the standard on any stock motorcycle. So if you are in neutral, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To go back down, it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the common question is, where is neutral? Neutral is between 1 and 2. So if you're in first gear, it's half a click up. And if you're in second gear, it's half a click down. So guys, as per one of my last videos, you now know how to start the bike. Get it rolling in first gear, pull in the clutch, drop it into first gear, slowly release the clutch, slowly roll on the throttle. Now the bike is moving. To upshift, it's very simple. You roll off the throttle, pull in the clutch, shift, release the clutch, and then roll back on the throttle. So if I'm in first, this is how it is. Very simple. Turn into second gear, and then again, just like that. Okay, now downshifting is a bit different because you're going to need to use a technique called rev matching. Rev matching is basically to match the engine speed to the speed of the bike to ensure a smoother downshift. So now rev matching is basically, the technique is you pull in the clutch, downshift, and you grip the throttle all at the same time. If you don't use this technique, you downshift without rev matching, the bike is going to jerk. So, once again, pull in the clutch, lift the throttle, downshift all at the same time. So, let's say I want to slow down, downshift, there we go. Didn't even feel that I've downshifted. Just as simple as that. Again, I want to drop another gear. There we go. Now, if I don't use rev matching, I just downshift, this is what's going to happen. You can see that the bike is jerked. It wasn't smooth at all. Riders use this technique not to show off, just like everybody thinks when you hear the bikes revving as they slow down. It's actually to ensure a much smoother downshift so that the bike doesn't jerk. So guys, there you go. It's as simple as that. That's the way you shift on a motorcycle. That's the way you upshift. That's the way you downshift. Of course, it requires practice. You'll get better and better and quicker and quicker. The big question is also, when do I need to shift? Well, that basically depends on how hard you're accelerating. So if you're just riding smoothly, then you don't need to accelerate that hard. You just shift at lower RPMs. If you want a bit more out of the bike, then you shift at higher RPMs. If you found this video useful, please click the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Subscribe to my channel for a lot of other tutorials on how to ride a motorcycle for beginners. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.